Melly, our toothless monster. Thank you so much to Three Little Hens for sending us the toothless monster. She could not have come at a better time. There are actually two toothless monsters to choose from. There's Melly, who's purple, and there's Monty, who's blue. We have Melly, and she is just so cute. She's a plush doll with a beanbag bottom, so she could sit up really nicely, and she doesn't come with any teeth. So it's your kiddo's job to donate each of their lost tooth to Melly. So this is how we begin. We read this beautifully illustrated and beautifully written book telling the story of the monsters and how they love to enjoy this yummy ting tang fruit. Unfortunately, Melly doesn't have any teeth to enjoy the fruit, so she needs to get teeth. And what's great about this book too is that you can document all of your child's tooth loss milestones inside the book. I think it's such a great idea. It's such a beautiful gift set, and it's perfect for kids to get really excited about losing their teeth. Now, I know what you're saying. The Tooth Fairy takes care of all of the teeth losses in the home. However, this does not replace the Tooth Fairy. The Toothless Monster and all of their toothless friends work directly with the Tooth Fairy to get all of the teeth. So this is how it works. Your child loses their tooth. Exciting. You can read the story. Now you could also get glow-in-the-dark teeth too that they sell on Amazon, which I think is so awesome for fun and glow. All in all, this is such a great product and my son loves it. Both of my kids love this monster. It's so cuddly, it's so cute. Check it out on Amazon for $39.99. It is a beautiful heirloom toy that will grow with your child. Thank you so much again, and if you're interested, don't forget to check out Amazon.
So now that we've read the story, now we're gonna take Marcello's tooth and we're gonna put it inside. So you're gonna put it inside the secret compartment in Melly's mouth. Good job. She ate it! And maybe tomorrow there'll be a surprise. Let's go night-night now. Good night, Melly.
What? Oh, I found a tooth. And look on the picture. He's covering his mouth because he has a tooth, I think.
So cool.
I'm just gonna see if you can like close it. Oh! Okay, you could. Like that.
Isn't it cool?
Mm-hmm. He has his own tooth now.
You helped him now because now he can eat his own little fruits, the ting tang fruits.
Yay!
Good job.